them out and calling them out of his gender. And because Trump will be telling other people, now sometimes one for the get his butt whooped, man, like that, man, Jamaica, be whooping his butt, man. But but for the most part, I ain't lying. I ain't gonna lie, 147 is some land in Jamaica. They get him out of line there. They get him out of line there when you see it. You can really get many people every now and then. Just like some people get 766 every now and then. But man, dude, right, look, keep the game straight. Make sure you 766 is a real world boss. Ain't nothing to play with in Jamaica. Switchblade said, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Bye-bye.
That Switchblade been ruling the bowl for about an hour now. A lot of swing of this thing, modulation, and Hicks signal is smoking. I've been listening on this Browning for about an hour. Not meant, I'd say on a 1 to 10, this one's like a 6.5 or 7 all around. It's got some wear here and there, but decent.
I got to talk to what I hear in my ear. I cannot talk to what the next man hear in his ear. Hey, say, man, I hear people behind you calling me. I can't hold no conversation with them. Take your point over saying, man, I'm keeping it real. Get married to me if y'all want to. I don't
That Switchblade got the ball down on the bowl. Don't know what he running. A lot of swinging this thing, though.
I don't curse you anymore. Trump said Mr. Keller calling him. He want my permission to talk to Mr. Keller. Don't do that.
I'm on an external speaker. It gives me a lot better audio out of these old tube radios. This is a homemade external speaker in that old sewing box. Gives it a good tone, good bass.
That's what I got. No. I was spoke up the world boss. No. I was just talking about the world boss. No, sir. No, I didn't dial your number. Hey, but anyway, since I got you on the line, though, hey, can I shoot you with a 22? Hey, world boss.
Just a Mark III. I'm in the mud, so definitely ain't gonna try to talk no skip. Then I got this really rare Mako 500. Mako made this to match the Browning. Some people call it the Browning 500. Really rare. It's original brown paint. And it's basically, even though it's made by Mako, it's basically a 4-tube version of the 2-tube 180. It's the same build, pretty much the same electronics and all that as the Browning 180 amp, except the 180 got 2 of those small 6JT6 tubes, and this has 4. The 180 you do about 75 watts, give or take, depending on how good the tubes are and how hard you push it. And this will do double that with 4 tubes. So, a good 150, give or take. I had somebody on Facebook, I think it was, saying they had, heard of the Browning 500 and had never seen one. Well, it's really rare. And somebody told him, yeah, Mako made the 500, for Browning. Just like, Static made some mics for Browning, and I don't know if anybody else, I think Contex made the 180 amp for Browning. But a lot of their stuff, like the radios, at least the tube radios, Browning made themselves at the Browning factory.
Trouble, you said what do you sound like with a little weight on his back? I promise you, Trump, I can't lie to you.
One trick, if you listening to heavy signals or heavy audio, that a lot of people don't know, if you got a noise blanker or AGC, not AGC, A&L, you turn it off. If you got somebody with a lot of audio or real heavy signal, because the A&L and the noise blanker will try to chop it down and distort it, and the A&L is off on this one. Gives you better audio. A lot of people say that, you know, the big heavy hitters are overmodulated and sound terrible. Well, most of the time, well, they do sometime, but a lot of the times it's the person receive it ain't set up to handle all that audio or all that power. And then some of them are running, you know, wideband, and if you don't have your station or your receiver set up to wideband, of course it's going to sound bad to you. You've been at it an hour.
I'm speaking to you. Switch baby, 10-6, bye-bye.
Some of the locals here were trying to talk to him, but couldn't get him.
Yeah, you said it. I know, you're right. I know that. I know you weren't trying to kill him. No, you thought he was gone. I thought he was gone too. But he's still locomotive. You say he's the real boss. He's the Highlander and he's the only one in the Great Lakes. And you say he's the real boss. I feel the same way you feel now. Like I said, man, this is how I feel. I got my own opinion, whether you like it or not. Take care. Still a locomotive. Switch, man. Take care. 24/7, I'm so glad you cleared that up. And I want to thank you. 24/7. You say, I'm so glad you cleared that up. Because I am who I am, and I don't do it. When you do it like you see yourself, you're moving on up. Take care, still a locomotive. You say a game, recognized game. You say you ain't got no doubt on recognizing a legend. Well, one day I'll be over. One day when I grow up, I'll be like me, Peter Cat Bigger.
Yeah.
I want you to give me some respect also. So, take care, still a locomotive. Bye-bye. 22 radio, right back to you, 007. 5 W. Downtown Little Rock, 007. I'm on the mail.
Mostly West Coast coming in. I'm in Michigan. Skip been running a while.
God bless you and God keep you. 075
All right, I'm gonna see if my local. If my locals out there, no, look like Skip running here too. I was gonna fire it down, but like I say, we so far in the mud, we can't do Skip, so we ain't gonna plug ears with it. I guess it's nobody local talking, so let me see if I can get in there. Oh, that's a local.
You might as well come up north, come up to the Great Lakes on the end. I hear you down there in the
New kid on the block. He's got a golden voice, broadcaster voice. He sounds like that in person.
Bottom of the mag, new kid on the
Got a gift to gab too. Got an up and coming station. You know, somebody with the voice and the gift to gab and a station. That's a pretty powerful combination. Hey, new kid, old no-name kid, just want to wave and get out your way.
Hey, Superman, put it on your... 410, no-name kid. I heard you sneak in between the keys like Ron Knight. We sneak in between them sheets. Hey, 22 to you and your whole crew. Hey, no-name, and I'm through with you.
I like the way you said that. Anyway, take care. New kid on the block, old no-name kid. Out to 7-2. Hey, Captain, I'm too far in the mud on this ground playing with a bad match. Maybe next year, maybe when the weather break, new kid, we can do something. But it's your talk show, it's your world. You go ahead. Man, is that Skip got the hammer on me and him too? Like I said, he got to get the gab. Like they got my meter sticking a little bit. Anyway, I'm gonna go to 13 and put this thing on a dummy load. And got it on a 200 watt scale. Got the Mako 500 driven by 3-watt Golden Eagle Mark III. And let's go key it down right quick. 100 watt scale, that's with the amp on. Dead key in 90 audio, talking about 120, 130. Hello, 125. Whistling under 150. It's been sitting an hour. I probably could peak it up and get 5-10 more watts out of it. And then last on peak. Audio. 200 watt peak. Audio. Like I say, just twice as much as the 180 with the 4 little tubes in it. And that's going to be the end of this video of this Browning Golden Eagle Mark III with this really rare Mako / Browning 500 amp. 4-6G JG6s, I believe, or that family of small tubes. Okay, that's it for this one. Bye.